رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة. My dear audience, the topic of my today talk is the morality in Islam, which is as important issue among the Muslim and non-Muslim. Pray to Allah give me tawfiq to speak right. Amin. The morality is the set of rules, values and principles which we choose ourselves, determining that what is right and what is wrong, what should we do and what should we not do. But in Islam, morality is the teaching of Quran and Hadith. And immorality is not unavailable, but it is sinful act because a moral person respects human being, and a immoral person does not respect human being. That's why we should be honest, worthy, thoughtful, and useful for other matters. He is Muslim, and non-Muslim. Islam avoids us from hurting people, backbiting, and mocking. The life of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ is a great task for everyone, whether he is Muslim and non-Muslim. That's why we should follow the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, and we should live our life according to the Prophet's life, as Almighty Allah mentioned in Surah Al-Ahzab, verse number 21. لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ. There is indeed a good model for you in the Messenger of Allah. The says witness that Islam is spreaded in all our world only because of good manner and morality. According to one hadith, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, those are the best among you who have good morals. And it is also reported that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, one cannot bear to Muslim until he like for his brother what he like for himself. In one another hadith, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ asked this a question, should I tell you who is the most believed and close to me in Qiyamah? The companion said, yes, Messenger of Allah. Then he said, those who are the best among you in manner are detested to me in the Father form. We are those who are the worst character, like what the Prophet Muhammad said. One who devices is not one, and one cannot keep his promise, can never be a true Muslim. Likewise, fall of the name, likewise to the right of neighbor is not secured by his wishes. India or other countries of the Islam was propagated by those Muslims who won out of people, and they offer the real face of Islam. In the front of them, of that not 100 but 1,000 people accepted Islam, and we are result of them. Now I wind up my speech. Pray to Allah. May Allah grant us good manner and make us moral person. Amin. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.